Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing your environment so everything syncs. Turn on iCloud Notes and confirm your devices show the same folders. This prevents fragmentation. Next, create 4 core folders: Inbox, Projects, Archive, Someday, so you have a place for incoming items and active work. Once done, set a default account and enable a password for private notes to secure sensitive content. This saves time later and keeps you organized from the first note onward. You now build the middle layer, capture and structure. Use QuickNote and the share sheet to capture ideas, receipts, and links immediately so nothing is lost. Then tag each note with consistent tags like #project, #errand, #info. Tags let you filter and find related items fast. Make checklists for actions, add attachments and inline tables for details, and move completed items from Inbox to Projects or Archive. This keeps your system searchable and reduces friction as complexity. Finish by locking the loop with review and automation. You'll run a weekly triage. Clear the inbox, update projects, and archive finished notes so nothing accumulates. Then automate repetitive work using shortcuts to create templates, move notes, or add reminders. This saves hours over months. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Force close notes, toggle iCloud Notes off and on, and if needed, sign out and back into iCloud. That usually resolves sync hiccups and gets your system back in rhythm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.